Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Tenda F3 300 megabits per second wireless router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Tenda F3 is a 2.4 GHz wireless router with 300 megabits per second speed and 3 external antennas, designed for small homes and basic internet use. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the router box. Inside the box of the Tenda F3 300 megabits per second wireless router, you will usually find the router unit with 3 external antennas, a power adapter, and an Ethernet (LAN) cable for connecting the router to your modem or computer. The package also includes a quick installation guide or user manual to help you set up the router easily. Firstly, unbox the router box. Inside the box of the Tenda F3 300 megabits per second wireless router, you will usually find the router unit with 3 external antennas, a power adapter, and an Ethernet (LAN) cable for connecting the router to your modem or computer. The package also includes a quick installation guide or user manual to help you set up the router easily. Using Wi-Fi, look for the Wi-Fi name, SSID, labeled on the router or manual, e.g., Tenda_XXXXXX. Connect using the default password, also printed on the router label. You can connect your PC or laptop directly to the router's LAN port using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser. Type 192.168.0.1 or tendawifi.com in the address bar and press enter. The Tenda setup page will open automatically. Log in with your username or password. Select your internet connection type. First is PPPoE. For most broadband providers in India, enter your username and password given by your ISP. Second is dynamic IP, often used by cable ISPs, no credentials needed. And the third one is static IP, if your ISP gave you specific IP details. Click Next or OK to proceed. Set your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, or keep default. Set a strong Wi-Fi password. Click OK or Save. The router will apply settings and reboot if necessary. Reconnect your device to the new Wi-Fi name using the new password. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.